from a TGI perspective, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome to everybody for joining us today and to making the event such a successful one. It's taken us over a year to prepare for today. If we had to look at preparing our questionnaire, making sure we're in field. So the way we've put together the events as well as our insights have taken some serious considerations in terms of methodology, robust sampling approaches, as well as the partners which we use. For those of you who are less familiar with TGI as a brand, we're part of a global network in over 60 markets around the world. We're part of the WPP group. It started TGI in 1969 and was launched into the marketplace really to empower marketers and the media and advertising industry to understand their target markets and to enable marketers then to release relevant marketing strategies. TGI is in over 60 countries around the world, and it represents over 1 billion consumers every year. Locally, it's been established as a sustainable benchmark which understands how South Africans engage with different products and brands within the marketplace, and it includes also demographics, media, psychographics, and of course all the branded information which TGI captures. Just in terms of positioning Ask Africa and TGI, there might be some confusion amongst. TGI is part of the Ask Africa group, but we also within that relationship have opted to outsource our fieldwork to the Ask Africa group because of their robust fieldwork expertise. They manage one of the, amongst TGI, other huge research products locally, which of course looks at their statistical rigor and methodology. TGI's methodology, we survey on an annual basis 15,000 consumer interviews. It covers over 560 product categories. For the TGI Icon Brands Award, specifically we've isolated 163 categories which look at the finite choices which consumers engage with in terms of products and brands within the marketplace. The Icon Brand Survey is not an easy brand to award. It doesn't look at only aspiration, and I like to use this brand. It looks at local relevant consumption behavior, and it looks at how and where consumers actually spend their money. So they literally put their money where their mouths are and buy these brands consistently and in a loyal manner. So it really looks at how brands actually cut through the clutter. So because this award has been quite an achievement, of course, to get, we've broken it down into 3 different levels. An iconic brand, of course, is a brand which is used and used most loyally across demographic groups in South Africa. We then have the potential icon brands, which are almost there. They do so many things right and are potentially next year's winners, so they're almost there. They might miss the demographic penetration or the relevant scoring criteria. And then, of course, there are the category winners. It's not always possible for brands to be affordable to the broad demographic population of South Africa. So it would be unfair for some to expect all brands to be an icon brand. We thus release the different category winners. Thank you.